Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. First time in my shop, 2017 Toyota Yaris IA. Never had this vehicle in my shop before and I'm confused and you will probably have to help me. So it seems to be it's a Toyota product. This one has manual transmission. It came for 30,000 miles service. It's kind of funny because the owner wants to do all of it themselves. That's fine. You know, I encourage it. It's a friend, so all I did is rotated tires for them. Not sure what this was about. But I'm confused with this engine. I look in the owner's manual. As I said, I never worked on this. Look in the owner's manual. It says there is a double overhead cam 16 valve 4-cylinder engine. Well, it doesn't say any model number of Toyota. I'm looking everywhere here on the hood. There's nothing, as we know from Toyotas. And there is a Mazda sticker, which again says basically nothing. I'm not sure why there is Mazda Motor Corporation sticker. Do I see correctly Toyota here? Then I start looking more closely. I already popped this off. This is totally not Toyota style. This is completely something different. So this vehicle was made in Mexico. It's on the sticker, on the basically driver's entry, right? But this cab looks like Ford to me, right? This is not Toyota thing. So is it really Mazda? In 2017 Yaris, is there a Mazda motor from some assembly plant Toyota shared with Mazda in Mexico? I have no idea. I'm confused in this. Please, I know somebody knows, I know. Some of you will have an answer immediately. I tried to look it up online, but there's nothing. So, I don't know. Please leave it in the comments so we can all share this time your knowledge. Because this car confuses heck out of me. So thank you for watching and please share what you know about this car in the comments. I would love to hear from you down there. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.